Welcome back students to Standard 10th Maths Chapter 10 Circles, and here I am with the 12th session of the chapter. Alright children, we have proved 32 results. One you can omit from there because number 23 I believe was finding the value. So totally 31 prove that sums we have solved. 31. Alright, there are more, but we are taking break from those prove that. Now we are going to see some sums, finding the value of something given here using various results. So now it is going to test you how you remember those results, and yes, if you remember the results, it will help you to solve this very easily. So let's see the first one. A line passing through the center O of a circle intersects the tangent at point Q. Alright, P is a point of contact of tangents. If radius of circle is pi and OQ is equal to 13, find PQ. Alright, children, a line passing through the center of the circle. So I'll have to draw, okay, here is center O. Alright, of the circle. A line passing through the center. So that is going to be second, children. Here is a line passing through center of the circle. Let me say it's line L. Passing through the center of the circle. It intersects the tangent of the circle in point Q. Now I have to draw one tangent जो line L को intersect होती है. Yes, this is tangent T. Alright, and it intersects in point Q. Alright children, you can see L is a line passing through the center. It intersects the tangent in point Q. P is the point of contact. So here, this is point of contact. P is point of contact. Alright, if radius of the circle is pi, children, P is the point of contact. If you join with center, it is perpendicular to the tangent. Now this radius is pi. OQ is 13. OQ, here it is. This OQ, that is 13. Find PQ. This is what you are supposed to find, PQ. Very easy. To find PQ, you can employ, बोलो right angle triangle, Pythagoras, correct? यहाँ simply इतना लिखेंगे, OP is perpendicular to PQ, the tangent, line PQ, correct? Therefore, angle OPQ is equal to 90 degree. That's it. Now, using Pythagoras, we have what we have, which is right angle P. उसके सामने की side OQ. OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Correct? Now, our whatever is available you put. Therefore, bolo, what is OQ? OQ 13. So 13 square is equal to, what is OP? 5. So 5 square plus, it's plus the target हमें जो ढूंढना है, that PQ square. Children, now this is easy. 13 square, I'm showing it here. 13 square is 169, or here 5 square is 25. If I take it on other side, it is minus 25, and that gives you 144. Okay. लेकिन मैं ऐसे नहीं करने वाला हूं, जरा देखो बराबर, यहां से आई स्टार्ट द वर्क हियर. देयरफॉर 13 स्क्वायर माइनस 5 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू PQ स्क्वायर. मैंने क्या किया, स्क्वायर को स्क्वायर ही रखा. देयरफॉर 13 प्लस 5, आई एम यूजिंग फैक्टराइजेशन, 13 प्लस 5 एंड 13 माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू PQ स्क्वायर. देयरफॉर 13 प्लस 5 इज 18 into 13 minus 5 is how much? is 8. Correct? That is equal to PQ square. Children, now no need to multiply this as well. इसको multiply करने की जरूरत नहीं है. See what I do. Def IE PQ is equal to, children जरा बराबर देखो, PQ is equal to square root of 18 into 8. अभी इसका स्क्वायर रूट ढूंढने के लिए सी व्हाट आई डू, 18 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालो. 2 9 जा, 3 3 जा, 3 1 जा. मैं 1 नहीं लिख रहा हूं, 1 की जगह पे 8. कंटिन्यू करो मल्टीप्लाई. 2 और फैक्टर पढ़ो, 2 4 जा, 2 2 जा, 2 1 जा. नंबर पे खत्म. सो लास्ट 2 का पेयर, 3 का पेयर और 2 का पेयर. सो दैट इज इक्वल टू, आई राइट हियर, 1 pair of 2, another pair of 2 and another pair of 3. Correct? So 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. Yes, square root of 144 is 12. So PQ is 12. Got it, children? Okay. So this was first one. Now we shall see the second one. Okay. Suppose the center is here. I hope that is exactly the center. All right. Radii of two concentric circles are 24, 26 and 24. A chord of a circle with larger radius touches the circle with smaller radius. Find the length of the chord. मुझे एक और सर्कल ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. All right. जो कॉन्सेंट्रिक हो. Okay. थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा होगा, because I am not using rounder to draw. ठीक है. All right, children. Now these are two circles, concentric circles. The inner radius, smaller radius is 24, and outer radius, larger radius is 26. A chord with larger radius, chord of a circle with larger radius. Let's say this is AB, touches the circle at point P. This is the center O. All right. ये स्मॉल r और ये बिग R, कैपिटल R. चलिए, व्हाट इज कैपिटल R? 26. एंड व्हाट इज स्मॉल r? 24. चिल्ड्रन, यू हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द कॉर्ड. वी नो दैट. चिल्ड्रन, एक रिजल्ट में हमने देखा था, इन दिस सिचुएशन व्हेन यू हैव कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल and when the chord of larger circle touches the smaller circle, the length of the chord is given by 2 into, याद करो फॉर्मूला, 2 into bracket into bracket, bracket into bracket. बोलो, पहली ब्रैकेट में क्या? कैपिटल R प्लस स्मॉल r, कैपिटल R माइनस स्मॉल r. काम बन गया, हमारे पास है ही. कैपिटल R 26 प्लस 24, कैपिटल R 26 माइनस स्मॉल r 24. दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 50 इंटू 2. नाउ दिस इज वेरी इजी. 50 इंटू 2 इज 100, है ना, और 100 का स्क्वायर रूट 10. और यदि ये डिफिकल्ट होता तो आप इस तरह कर सकते. 50 का आप प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालो. 2 25 5 5 5 1s. I'm not putting 1, I'm putting circle, क्योंकि आगे है 2. So write 2 2 1s. देखो 2 का एक पेयर मिला, 2 into, नाउ स्क्वायर रूट में एक 2 का पेयर मिला और एक 5 का पेयर मिला, पेयर ऑफ 5. करेक्ट? 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So therefore length of the chord is 20. Nothing, no unit is given. So 20, that's it. Understood, children? Is that clear to you? It should be easy if you remember the formula. Here Pythagoras is used. Here formula to find the length of the chord is used. Right? So moving on to the next one. Number 3. P is in the exterior of circle at a distance 34 from the center O. All right. This is center O. P is in the exterior. This is P in the exterior. Distance is given. How far is this point P from the center? 34. So OP is 34. All right. A line through P, a line through P touches the circle at Q. My God, वो तो वही line. Tangent, tangent. All right. ये रही. A line through P touches the circle at point Q. Let's say this is line T. Tangent line PQ भी कह सकते हैं हम लोग. Correct? Okay. PQ is equal to 16. Okay, this is 16. PQ is 16. Find the diameter. Diameter डायरेक्ट नहीं मिलेगा. पहले क्या मिलेगा आपको? Radius. Which is the radius? OQ. And OQ is through the point of contact. So it is perpendicular. It is not known. So let me write R. Use Pythagoras. Alright. चलिए मैं क्या करता हूं? OQ is perpendicular to PQ. है ना? By theorem. Therefore, angle OQP is 90 degree. So triangle POQ. What you have? This is right angle, side opposite to that OP. OP square is equal to OQ square plus PQ square by Pythagoras. Correct? Chaliye. The values which are available, let us put OP. 30, therefore, 34 square is equal to OQ, that is R square, and PQ, that is 16 square. Children, you might wonder कि सर ने 169 minus 25 क्यों नहीं किया? वो आसान था. A square minus B square क्यों किया? The reason is here. See now, this gives you 34 square minus 16 square is equal to R square. 16 square को वो बाजू लेगा. मैंने स्क्वायर को 16 square is 256. 34 square आपको करना पड़ेगा, है ना? But instead of that, ये easy रहेगा. Bracket into bracket is equal to R square. Now this is 34 plus 16 and this is 34 minus 16. Therefore, ये टोटल करेंगे तो 50 मल्टीप्लाई बाय ये डिफरेंस करेंगे तो 12 इज इक्वल टू R स्क्वायर, है ना? डिफरेंस 12 नो बेटा, डिफरेंस इज 34 करना पड़ेगा. 34 माइनस 16 ये 8 और 1 it is 18. Difference is 18. Now the same idea I'm going to use. Children, let's use the same idea. क्या? Therefore, R is equal to square root of 50 into 18. Yeah, taking square root on both sides. ये R square में से R बचा और ये square root. Alright children? चलो. Now 50 का पहले फैक्टर्स निकालो. 2 25 जा 5 जा और 5 1 जा. 1 की जगह पे मैं लिखूं 18. 2 9 जा 3 जा 3. नाउ यू कैन राइट 1 जा क्योंकि आगे कोई नंबर नहीं है. 3 की जोड़ी therefore R is equal to 3 बाहर निकला. 5 की जोड़ी 5 बाहर निकला और एक 2 की जोड़ी वो भी बाहर निकला. And that is equal to 5 2s are 10 and 10 3s are 30. So radius is 30 children. अभी तो radius 30 मिला, हमें चाहिए diameter. Alright, हमें क्या चाहिए? Diameter. So now diameter is equal to 2 into R double. So that is 2 into 30 and that is equal to 60. So therefore diameter is 60. Okay. Got it children? Fine. So moving on to the next one and that is number 4. AB is a chord of a circle with center O and radius 5. बहुत आसान होगा ये. This is center O. AB is a chord. Alright. I'll draw one chord. This is chord AB such that AB equal to 8. Children, इसकी लेंथ लिखना है तो उसके बीच में नहीं लिखता हूं मैं, यहां ब्रैकेट निकाल के लिखता हूं 18 साइड पे. ऑलराइट, such that AB equal to 18. here AB equal to 18. लेफ्ट, A के लेफ्ट में लिखो या B के राइट में लिखो ब्रैकेट में. That shows AB equal to. I'm going to tell you the reason why. Now, children, I'm going to drop perpendicular to the chord. Center ho or chord ho, तो आप perpendicular drop कर ही लो. Let's say M is the foot of perpendicular. So you are going to get AM equal to MB. Children, ये AB क्या है? 18. So MB और AM आधा आधा हो जाएगा. So you will write 9, 9, half of 18. So MB 9, AM is also 9. समझ में आया? Why we write 18 in the bracket besides? Okay. Fine. Tangents at A and B of the circle intersect at P. Tangents at A and B intersects the circle at P. Find PA. Children, थोड़ी गड़बड़ी हो गई अब फिगर में. All right, देखते हैं. This is tangent at A, and here is tangent at B. Intersect the circle at point P. You are supposed to find PA. You are supposed to find PA. कैसे find करेंगे PA? All right, children. This is a very difficult sum and very lengthy sum. So we'll have to do it on a separate page because you will need full page to do it. All right, children. So I just take a new page to solve this. It is very lengthy and I said earlier it is very easy, but this is most difficult one. Most difficult one. You need to use plenty of results here. However, we'll do it in the fresh page. Clear, children? Alright, so moving on to the fourth one. As you know, that space was very less, so I have taken a fresh page and the question is here. Let's draw the figure, okay? What's the statement? AB is a chord of a circle with center O and radius 5. So radius is given, center is O, such that AB is equal to 8. Children, you also have the length of the chord. Tangents at A and B to the circle intersect at P. We'll see that when we draw the figure. Find PA. We'll also see where is PA. So let's draw the circle. Okay, so here is circle with center O. I'll write radius R equal to 5. Okay. Now AB is a chord of a circle. So let's draw the chord. Here it is. AB. Alright. Now tangents at A. To draw the tangents, I'll draw the radius first so that I can draw a line perpendicular to radius. This is tangent at A. Now I want tangent at B. So let me draw radius from B and a perpendicular that we can draw easily, right? So this is another tangent. So here the tangents at A and B intersect each other at point P. So this is point P, children. Alright? Okay. That's it. Radius. Here it is. OB is radius, that is 5. OA is radius, that is 5. Alright? And you are supposed to find PA. It's here. I'll make it red. Alright? PA is what you are supposed to find. Now, how will you find, children? It's not easy. I told you it's very lengthy and difficult as well. Children, first of all, you will have to draw a line segment joining the center and point P in the exterior. Alright? Okay. And that line segment intersects the chord at point M. Let OP intersects AB at point M. Let me write that. Let OP intersect AB at point M. Children, now you should know this result. Do you remember? OP is perpendicular bisector. So, this is M is not only the midpoint, but it is also perpendicular to AB. So, I am writing that. Therefore, OP is perpendicular bisector of chord AB. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to AB. Result 1. So all these angles are right angle. Okay, we have got one more right angle here. OB is radius, so it is perpendicular to tangent. OA is radius to the point of contact, so it is perpendicular to tangent. Children, now to find PA, we will have to pick up three triangles. Alright, there are three right triangles. The smallest one is this. Smallest right triangle is the green one. Green one is the smallest right triangle. Can you see, children? Alright. Now, this is 5 and you know AB is 8. It's given. AB is 8. See, line segment AB. मैंने बाहर लिखा B के ऊपर ब्रैकेट में. That shows AB equal to 8. Now, OP bisects AB. So this will be 4 and this also would be 4. BM is 4 and AM is 4 because M is midpoint. So in this green triangle, you got two sides. So you can find out OM. Okay, that will do later. Now there is another right triangle which is bigger than the green one. Now which is that right triangle? We need to know that, children. Okay, so it is this. Alright, triangle APM. Correct, children? Okay. Now, in that, only one side is known. Correct? This side is not known. So, I'll call it, okay, what we want to find that PA, I'm going to call it X. This, let me say small a. This, let me call it small b. Alright? Okay. In green triangle, one side is 5, the other side is 4. The unknown side I've called measure B. In this second blue right triangle, it's blue right triangle, one side which we have to find, I called it X. The other side 4, we got it, how we know now. And the third side is unknown. Okay? And there is one more right triangle, I'll draw it black. Oh, I'll make it red. And it is the large one. This. So children, this is, yes, right angle, correct? So in that one side is PA, the other side is OA and the third side is OP. OP is A plus B. Got that, children? Sure? Now very carefully I'm going to pick up the first triangle. Straight away you write, you don't have to write all the details. In right triangle AOM, this is M, correct? AOM, angle AMO, angle AMO is right angle. So let's use Pythagoras. Therefore, yes, this is right angle, so OA is hypotenuse. So square of OA will be OM square this side plus AM square, correct? Okay? Okay. Now what is OA? It's 4 square. Sorry, OA is here, it is 5 square. Plus OM, we have called it, it's 4 square. Plus OM, that is B square. And AM, that is 4 square. But from where did you get AM? That we'll have to write first. So let me write first here. OP is bisector. This is result 1. Okay. By 1, this is right angle. And I'm writing result 2 also. And BM equal to AM equal to half of AB. That is half of 8 because AB is 8 and that is equal to 4. So BM is 4, AM is 4. So that we have AM 4, OA that is 5 and OB we called it A. Correct? Here we'll write let OM is equal to B and PM is equal to A and PA is equal to X. Alright? Now what we are getting? Therefore, 5 square minus 4 square is equal to B square, i.e. B square is, I'm writing directly, 5 plus 4, 9, 5 minus 4, 1, 9 ones are 9. Therefore, B is equal to 3. Children, B is equal to 3. You got that? Okay? And we finished with green right triangle. We move to blue right triangle. In triangle blue, APM, angle AMP is a right angle. क्यों भाई, कैसे पता चला? By 1, correct? By 1. Alright. Therefore, Pythagoras यहां भी यूज कर देते हैं. PA square, right angle is this, उसके सामने की साइड hypotenuse PA square is equal to PM square plus AM square. Correct, children? Whatever values are available, we'll put. What is PA? X. So X square. PM, it's 4. So 4 square. That was AM, children. AM is 4 square. AM is here, 4 square. PM is this, which we have called A. So this is going to be A square. Alright, children. Therefore, X square is equal to A square plus 16. I'm going to call this as result number 2. Alright. Here 2 variables are there, so nothing can be done. So we move on to the last triangle, and that is the red triangle. Okay? In triangle APO, angle OAP is a right angle. And what is the reason for it to be right angle? Because, OA, that is radius, is perpendicular to tangent PA. Alright? Therefore, use Pythagoras there. OP square. ये right angle है. Right triangle में OP is the hypotenuse. So OP square is equal to OA square plus PA square. Okay, this time I am going to carefully substitute all the values. No making mistake and no scribbling. OP, that is B plus A. Correct? Whole square. OA, that is 5 square. PA, that is X square. Okay. You can expand this. B square plus 2AB plus A square is equal to 25 plus X square. But children, the value of B is available. Put the value. B square is 3 square plus 2 into A into 3 plus A square is equal to 25 plus X square. Therefore, 9 plus 6A plus A square is 25 plus X square. Children, okay, i.e. X square plus 25. I'm writing in order. A square plus 6A plus 9. This is result 3. Alright, children. Now, this is equation containing 2 variables A and X. Here also A and X. So, X square can be eliminated. Alright, to get the value of A. So, by 2 and 3, it follows that. Alright, children. ये देखो X square is equal to A square plus 16. और यहाँ X square plus 25 is equal to A square plus 6A plus 9. Elimination करना है आपको. Change the sign. ये minus, plus X square minus X square gone. Plus A square minus A square gone. So what is left on left hand side? Minus 25. Here 16 minus 6A or minus 9. Alright. From here, please see, I'm doing the work here. Now this is, take minus 6A this side. So it becomes plus 6A. 16 minus 9 is 7, correct? Or minus 25 on the other side, plus 25. So you got 6A is equal to 32. Therefore, A is equal to 32 divided by 6. 2 3s are, 2 16s are. So children, tough job. here you got a equal to 16 by 3, but you are supposed to find x. So यहाँ value डालो, all right? Value of a here. So yes, it goes further, proceeds further. So by 2, it follows that by 2, it follows that x square is equal to a square. But what is a square? 16 by 3. So square करेंगे तो 256 by 9 और plus 16. So upon 1 LCM 9. ये 1 जा, ये 9 जा, 256 जा 256 और 9 16 जा is 144. Total 400 divided by 9. Therefore x square. So taking square root on both sides, this will give me x is equal to 20 upon 9. So i.e. PA is equal to 20 upon 9. You can leave the answer like this. So what is the length of the tangent PA? X, that is 20 upon 9. So this is a very lengthy method. Children, I'll show you another optional method which is given to you in the textbook. Here what we did, we pick up one green triangle which is right triangle, blue triangle and the red triangle, and we utilize all three equations of Pythagoras and then somehow manage to solve this. But there is an easy method to solve it. Let's do that. Okay. Okay. Let me draw the figure first. Alright children, so here is the figure, correct? You are supposed to find PA. Alright, PA is what? So I am going to call PA X. And the very important thing is the line segment joining center and this point P in the exterior. The important result is this. It is perpendicular bisector of chord AB. Now chord AB is 8. So BM will be 4, AM will be 4. Correct? Now this radius is 5, Y. Alright children. So first use this right triangle. ये right triangle use करिए and find out what is OM. Alright. So let's see what is OM children. So in triangle AOM, angle AMO is a right angle because of that reason. Okay. Because OP bisects, OP is a perpendicular bisector of AB. That is the reason children. Okay. Therefore, ये right angle है उसके सामने के side OA, that is hypotenuse. OA square is equal to OM square plus AM square. Carefully put the value. OA is known, 5 square. OM is not known. I'm going to call it Y. So that is Y square plus AM square, that is 4 square. This is 5 square minus 4 square is equal to Y square. i.e. Y square is 5 plus 4 into 5 minus 4, that is 9 into 1. In that method I had written directly. Therefore Y is equal to square root of 9 and therefore Y is equal to 3. Clear to you? So this is 3. Okay. Now आपको एक बड़ा सा काम करना है. आपका मेथड एकदम शॉर्ट हो जाएगा. You take, okay, ये ट्राइंगल ले लो. Take this triangle, red triangle, not that. You take this red triangle, all right, okay, and the blue triangle, or let me make it green triangle. सबसे छोटा right angle triangle और सबसे बड़ा right angle triangle. ये. Let me make it thicker so that green color is visible. All right. And this triangle. Okay. So in red triangle and green triangle, you can see children, red, okay, ये PA green में है. So I'll use that first. Green angle, ये green angle, angle OAP is congruent or is equal to ये angle red में. Angle red, what is that? AMO. Angle AMO. Then green angle and red angle are common. Can you see? Green angle AOM is equal to red angle, green angle is AOP. Green angle is AOP and the red angle is AOM. Here the reason is right angles and here the reason is common angles. Correct children? So therefore a correspondence direct लिखते हैं. Therefore green corresponds to red is a similarity, not congruence, a similarity by AA. Now green का पार्ट हम लिख देते हैं. Green is APO dash dash dash. चलिए दो एंगल हमारे पास है. सो यू कैट डायरेक्ट कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस. बीच में देख लो ये दो एंगल है. सो ए कॉरेस्पॉन्ड्स टू एम. ए फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में, राइट एम इन द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर. ओ कॉरेस्पॉन्ड्स टू ओ. ओ लास्ट है तो राइट लास्ट. नाउ हमको रेड में एम और ओ मिल गया, बच गया ए. सो फिल इन द ब्लैंक. नाउ केयरफुली पिक अप द साइड्स दैट यू हैव. सी चिल्ड्रन, आपको पी ए ढूंढना है. सो आप पी ए ले लो. सो पी ए अपॉन कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग साइड ए एम आएगा. राइट. आपके पास ओ ए है तो ओ ए ले लो. ओ ए तो यहां से आएगा ओ एम. पुट ऑल द वैल्यूज इफ यू हैव. ओके चिल्ड्रन, मैं तीसरा भी ले लेता हूं. ओ पी अपॉन ओ ए. नाउ यू सी ऑल द वैल्यूज दैट आर अवेलेबल. पी ए वो तो ढूंढना है. ए एम यस नोन. ओ ए यस नोन. ओ एम यस नोन 3 अभी तो पता है. सो इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. करेक्ट. चल. सो पुट द वैल्यू. देयरफॉर पी ए अपॉन ए एम दैट इज 4, ओ ए दैट इज 5 एंड ओ एम दैट इज 3. देयरफॉर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. पी ए इज इक्वल टू 5 इंटू 4 अपॉन 3. देयरफॉर पी ए इज इक्वल टू 20 अपॉन 3. एकदम शॉर्ट हो गया. यू सी दिस. PA is 20 upon 9. Oh, that is my mistake again. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 9 is 3. Can you see that? Square root of 400 is 20. Square root of 9 is 3. So PA is 20 upon 3. PA is 20 upon 3. Is that clear to you children? Okay. Children, somewhere we make mistake. Like आगे एक sum आएगा जिसमें कुछ ऐसा है. This is 5 and this is 12 in right triangle. All right. Suppose ABC. All right. Now look. BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. So we write AC square 12 square. AB square that is 5 square. 12 square is 144. अभी यहाँ दिमाग आगे दौड़ता है. 144 plus 25 is 169. So दिमाग में 169 पहले से ही मेरे. Okay, so I said 5 square 25, but by mistake I wrote 29 because मेरे दिमाग में 169 चल रहा है और फिर I wrote 169. So यहाँ एक मिस्टेक की है मैंने आगे चल के, आगे के सम में. Alright, so just yes, rectify that mistake. बोला 25 लेकिन लिखा 29 क्योंकि ये दोनों का टोटल 169 होता है. सो दिमाग में लास्ट डिजिट 9 है. एनीवे चिल्ड्रन, सो हियर द फोर्थ वन वाज वेरी टफ. ऑलराइट. ओके, विल प्रोसीड फर्दर एंड सी फिफ्थ. सो चिल्ड्रन, फोर्थ वन वाज रियली डिफिकल्ट. ओके, वेल important for the board exam as well. So moving on to the next one, that is fifth one. Children, you can see some part already done because I recorded without putting on the camera. So itna part kiya and then I realized that I didn't put on the camera. So I'll explain to you. P is a point in the exterior of circle, correct? So here is a circle with center O and some radius R, and the tangents from P, from this point P, two tangents can be drawn, the green line and green line, correct? Touch the circle at X and Y. Yes, they are touching at X and Y. Yeah, I forgot to tell that also. Earlier I explained. Here 4 questions are asked, so I have drawn 4 different figures, but you don't need to do that. you can do with just one figure. For a teacher, for giving you better explanation, I have drawn 4 figures here. Sum is 1, 4 questions are there, so figure also would be 1. So let's see. Alright, P is a point in the exterior. Tangents through P and Q touch the circle at X and Y. O is the center. Now in the first case, OP, kahan hai OP? Ye. Find OP, the blue segment. If radius R, small r, radius OX is 12 and XP, the length of the tangent, is 5. Children, ये right angle triangle बन गया. Pythagoras use करके OP ढूंढ लो. Correct? Now I am children writing directly. Actually लिखना चाहिए. OX is perpendicular to PX by theorem. Therefore, angle OXP या PXO is equal to 90 degree. That's it. In right triangle PXO, hypotenuse right angle के सामने OP square is equal to OX square plus PX square. Therefore, OP ही ढूंढना है, so OP square is equal to OX is 12 square plus PX is 5 square. Children, ये square minus B square नहीं है, तो square कर ही दो. 144 plus 25. Therefore, OP square is equal to, the total is 169. Taking square root on both sides, this gives me OP, and 169 का square root 13. So how much is OP? 13. So you got that first one. So this was first one. Now let's see the second one. You have the opportunity to see how we got that figure. Okay. Once again, P is a point in the exterior. P is a point in the exterior of a circle with center O. Correct. The two tangents through P. Here. The two tangents through P touch the circle at point X and Y. Correct? Now angle XPO. Oh, here it is. XPO. I'll use some different color. XPO. This one is to be found. आपको ये ढूंढना है. एंगल XOY. Where is XOY? Angle XOY. ये तो perpendicular है, ये perpendicular है, और this angle is 110 degree. Alright? Angle XOY is 110 degree. Then you have to find this. Children, आप एक काम करो, इसको कह दो X. तो you know result, OP is bisector of angle XPY. So ये भी X होगा. So पूरा एंगल 2X होगा. Now ये एंगल और ये एंगल, they are supplementary. सब रिजल्ट याद करिए चिल्ड्रन. चलो पहले मैं X लिखता हूं. OP bisects angle XPY. Therefore, angle XPO is equal to angle YPO. Angle YPO is equal to X से. Correct? Therefore, इसको 1 कह दो. Therefore, angle XPY is equal to 2X. Result 2 कह दो. By 1. यदि ये XPO X है, small x है, then ये पूरा एंगल 2X होगा. Correct? चलिए. Now, also the second result. Also, angle XOY plus angle XPY is equal to 180 by theorem. Therefore, now what is XOY? 110. What is XPY? 2X is equal to 180 by 2. You can say that. Therefore, 2X is equal to 180 minus 110. Therefore, 2X is equal to 70. Therefore, 2X is equal to 35. X equal to 35. I.e. angle XPO. Angle XPO is equal to 35 degree. Here you are. Got it, children? So that is angle XPO which you were supposed to find. Chaliye, moving to the third one. All right. Okay, वो center O है. P is a point in the exterior. The two tangents at through P touch the circle at point X and Y. Correct? Okay. Right. Now let's see the third one, what it says. Find R. आपको रेडियस ढूंढना है. Find R. R is OX. Radius is OX and it is perpendicular. If OP, अब OP ड्रॉ कर लूं. OP is 25 and PY, PY यहां दिया है. PY is 24 PY. So इस आप ये रेडियस ले लो. OY भी तो रेडियस है. Correct? So you use this triangle. All right. Finish. Now I am writing directly. ये लिखना चाहिए पहली बार. Okay. बोलो. In this triangle, this is right angle. So उसके सामने side OP. OP square is equal to, बोलो, OY square plus PY square. चलिए. OP आपको दिया है 25. So 25 square. OY is the radius which you are looking for, R square. Or PY, that is 24 square. Therefore, 25 square minus 24 square is equal to R square. Taking square root on both sides, i.e. यहां स्क्वायर रूट R आया और यहां स्क्वायर रूट में 25 प्लस 24, 25 प्लस 24 और 25 माइनस 24, दैट इज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ टोटल 49 इंटू डिफरेंस 1. ये आसान हो गया. 49 1 is 49 and square root of 49 is 7. So what is the radius in this case? 7. If diameter was asked, you could have doubled it. All right, children. Chaliye. Now looking at the fourth one. This is center O. The two tangents, you know, from a point in the exterior. मैं दो tangent draw कर देता हूं. And the point of intersection I call it P. This point is X. This point is Y. All right. देखिए. Find XOP. Where is XOP? यहाँ. XOP. This is what you are supposed to find. Find XOP. If XPO, this one, XPO is 80. Children, हो गया. ये perpendicular है. ये 80 है. और ये क्या total measure. Okay. Let me call this angle measuring X. So in triangle POX, angle O plus angle P plus angle X is equal to 180. O, I have called it X. P, it's 80. ये triangle में पूरा P नहीं. और X, that is 90, is equal to 180. Therefore, X plus 170 is equal to 180. Therefore, X is equal to 180 minus 170. Therefore, X is equal to 10. I.e. वो X को हमने क्या किया? XOP. XOP, angle XOP is equal to 10 degree. Got it, children? Understood? Fine.